So you've decided that you want to hire a contractor to replace your roof. Here are 5 key things that you need to ask every roofing company before you sign a contract. Number 1, are you licensed in your state? Every single state in the United States requires contractors to register with the state. 2, do you carry workers' compensation insurance? Every contractor out there is going to have some form of general liability insurance, but not everybody has the workers' comp that actually covers the workers that are doing the work. Number 3, do they utilize subcontractors? Some companies will, some companies won't. It's not that it's bad if they do or bad if they don't, but what you want to do is make sure that those subcontractors that they use are also licensed and insured in that state to be doing the work that they're doing. Number 4, will somebody be on site to answer any questions should I have any? Every job should have a project supervisor or project manager assigned to answer any questions that you may have during the process. You always want to make sure that you either have a phone number or an email that you can get into contact with somebody very quickly to answer your questions whenever they do come up. And last but not least, number 5, what kind of workmanship warranty do you offer? Every shingle manufacturer out there offers a warranty against material defects that come from the factory, but what kind of workmanship warranty does the company put on the shingles and the install themselves? Most companies are going to put anything from 2 to 10 years. As long as you're falling somewhere within that range, you should be pretty good. All right, guys, so just to sum it up, those are the 5 key questions that you want to ask every single roofing contractor before you sign the contract. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.